Okay, today we are doing an incredibly easy Rust tutorial. Literally, it's so easy, anyone can do it, and it looks good very, very quickly. Number one, undercoat it in your black of choice. I've gone with Citadel Chaos Black because why not? I've also just realized I've exposed my age. It's Abaddon Black now. Anyway, moving on. Paint the entire mini in lead Belcher. This is super basic. You could almost call it a dry brush, but you basically want to get as much silver or metallic color on your model as quickly as possible and go from there. Right, once that's dry, it's time for the fun bit. So for this, we are using the Dirty Down Rust effect. You want to shake this hard because this thing separates faster than your parents did when you were young. So shake it a lot, and then just like with the lead belcher itself, you want to be pretty liberal about where you put this on the model. So for this, obviously, I'm just doing this as an example. So I'm going to put it absolutely everywhere, wait for it to dry, and lo and behold, there will be magic rust. And then when it's dried, it will look like this. At this point, you can leave it like this if you really wanted it to, but why would you? It doesn't look great. Or instead, you dry brush it again with lead belcher and it looks something much, much better. And voila, just like that, you have a very easy rust technique that literally anyone can do, from complete noob, beginner, expert, whatever. Dry brushing, dirty down rust effect, and you get a very passable, very easy to do rust effect for armor, terrain, vehicles, whatever. Give it a go. If you like the tutorial and want to see more, comment down below.